Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 19th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions still. Okay. Today, Tesla closed down $15.52. We are down 2.25%. Post-market, we seem to be down by 0.13 cents. What does it look like on the chart? So you will notice that I did a pure cleanup purge of all my drawings to have a fresh start. So you might see things a little bit differently. We are having a red candle today. Lower high than yesterday and lower low than yesterday. Yesterday was a nice big bounce up. Look at this nice green candle with some resistance around 697. Let's look at the 1 hour chart for today. So we opened right here. So yesterday we were close to this resistance right here. Close to the resistance, and then we fell down. We opened actually. So we opened around here, went up, went down, went sideways. So the stock did not know what it was really wanting to do. I thought at some point that it would be going back to this resistance right here. So this is why I put the hourly resistance at 680. But see, it did not cross it. It touched it and then started going down a little bit. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. So I'll need to put the indicators back. So stochastic is at 45 under 50. So this is going to be a red thumb down right here. Then we have stochastic, which crossed over negative not too long ago, but the lines of positive. So this is one green and one red. And DMI was super close to crossing over bullish because of this green candle, this big green candle. It almost convinced DMI, but it was not convinced exactly. And now the stock is going down a little bit. It's still a bearish thumb down. We are in this upward channel still. We are still in this upward channel. Days ago, we came out of it, but we closed back into it. And I also changed this support here to put it at 626. I feel it reflects a little bit better what is going on here. And we have this resistance at 697. So the stock is in a bullish trend within this channel here, going up and down in zigzag between the two, sometimes going outside of it. So now we are at the bottom here. We are at the bottom, close to the support of the channels. The thing you have to decide for yourself is, the stock be bouncing on this or not? Right now, in terms of bouncing, we have a little bit of a bounce in terms of the higher lows that we are having, except for yesterday. But compared to August 17th, we have a higher low since then. And today, Tesla is streaming its AI Day, which is basically what I understand. This is basically a HR move to try to woo people that are good at AI to come to work for Tesla. But I think what happens during this stream will also be interpreted. So this might have an effect on the stock. So we'll have to take a look at tomorrow to see what is the exact effect. Just going back to the 1 hour chart. So from the 1 hour chart perspective, we are going down. We have a little bit of a bear trend right here with this channel. So I changed also this channel here. So we have a big channel and we are going down. And this is basically a bear trend from an hourly perspective. I also added something that was requested by some of you guys, a 50-day moving average and a 200-day moving average. So this is something that can help us also. The 200-day moving average can identify the overall pattern. And we have also the 50-day moving average that is used for signals to cross. So when the 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average going down, then it's a sell signal. And when the 50-day crosses the 200 going up, it's a buy signal. And also you have a signal when the stock price itself crosses the moving averages. So when the stock price crosses the 200-day moving average going up, it's a buy signal, a longer term buy signal, because the 200-day moving average does not react as fast for the small moves in the stock market. And you have the same signal between the move of the stock price compared to the 50-day moving average. So I put that there. I might change the color to make it a little bit more clear, but the darker one is the 200-day moving average right here. And the lighter one, the 50-day moving average, is just right here. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. I read all of your comments. You can join me for $5 a month to have exclusive access to my weekly chart videos I do on the weekend for Tesla and Palantir. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.